Hello and welcome to another episode of Illustrate with me. Today we are learning how to create digital characters using Procreate. We will be making this easy flat character illustration. Let's dive right in. To start off, I'm going to select a dark green color for my background so the colors pop. Let's start with a basic shape that will make for the face of our character. Next, I'm going to draw the right eyebrow. Just gotta make a few adjustments and clean it up. Once I'm happy, I'm going to duplicate my layer, flip it horizontally, and place it alongside. If you haven't already, I welcome you to subscribe as it only helps the channel grow and motivates me to put out more such videos for you. In a separate layer, let's make the hair for our character. I'm going to add in some detail so it looks like frontal hair too. Now, in a new layer, let's make the eyes. I'm starting with the white color that will make for the background. I'm making sure I smoothen it up and don't leave any hard edges. Now, let's add some details. Once I'm happy, I will once again duplicate the layer and place it alongside. Time to make the nose. Don't worry about it looking like a sad face just yet. In a new layer, let's make the lips for our character. For this, I've turned on the grid lines on my Procreate app. Let's add in some details in the face so it looks like a digital character. Once you're happy, you can duplicate the layer and place it alongside. I'll add in another strand of hair so it elevates the look of our character. Time to make the neck for our character. I'm making it in a new layer that I've placed behind the face layer. Let's add in some shadows so it separates the neck from the face. Once we are done, it's time to make the rest of the hair. I'll once again turn on my grid lines for this one. Once done, you can turn off the grid lines. I'm gonna make one last adjustment on either side so the hair looks a bit more natural. And there you have it. That's how you create a digital character illustration using Procreate. Hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel.